55-year-old man charged with child's murder after he allegedly confessed. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and I'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Kingston Central Police have arrested the accused of handling the illegal weapon that resulted in a 6-year-old girl being fatally shot on Tex Lane in Kingston on December the 6th. He is 55-year-old James Simmet of Tex Lane. He has been charged with murder and illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. Reports from the police are that at around 4 p.m., Simit was repairing an illegal firearm when a round of the ammunition was discharged, hitting the 6-year-old Tamara McCollum of Solitaire Road, also in Kingston. Tamara later died at hospital. Simit initially fled the community but was later caught by a resident. He was beaten before being handed over to the police. The police said that detectives investigating the case interviewed Simit and he allegedly confessed to the crime. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.